They'll come back to the field. You know, they were both right up on the point, looking to take over that first position. Kind of got together up there.